Hello. Today we're going to talk about how to say then in Arabic. In order to say then in Arabic, you can use two ways. The first one is to use ثم. ثم. So for example here you can say كلمت جون ثم رد علي. I talked to John, then he responded to me. Here, this sentence gives the meaning that after while, John responded to me. He didn't respond immediately to me. Another way to say then in Arabic is to use fa. Fa. Let's say the same example. كلمت جون فرد علي. This sentence means that he immediately responded to me. So here is the difference between ثم and fa. Fa is I told him, he replied to me immediately. Like while ثم like I sent him a message or I talked to him, I left to him a voice message or something like that, and then after some while he replied to me. Okay, so I hope that was useful and easy for you. Bye.